Hi! In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Password and Security. Now select Screen Lock section and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. You need to wait 5 seconds after deciding and click on Got it in the pop-up. Finally, create your login method and repeat it. When you're ready, choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. Then click on Add in Fingerprint pop-up if it's something that you want to do, or select Cancel and do it later. So finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!